What's up? In this video, you are going to learn how to erase everything from your iPhone. I'm Andy, you're watching Learn How. I'm here to help you learn how to do things to improve your lifestyle. So if that's a product review, tutorial, or whatever else, and it's able to help you improve your lifestyle, that is my goal. So if you like what you see in this video, please consider subscribing. All right. To erase everything from your iPhone is actually really easy. But first, I want to tell you something very, very important. Make sure you back up your iPhone before you erase everything. So there's a couple ways to do this. I have a video on my channel. You can back up your iPhone to iTunes, which is my recommended method because a typical iPhone backup could take like 30 gigabytes of storage. So if you're trying to back it up to iCloud and you're getting that error where it's like not enough space in iCloud, cannot back up or whatever, it's because it's taking like 30 gigs and you only have 5 gigs of free iCloud storage. So unless you like pay for iCloud storage, I do not recommend backing up to iCloud, although you can do that. So make sure you back it up however you want to do that, and make sure you've got all your stuff and info saved and you're signed out of things and all that kind of stuff, I guess, to just make sure that like you're covered, you have your photos and videos transferred, like whatever you need to do to make sure, you know, that you don't erase everything and be like, oh crap, like I needed stuff. But this is how to erase everything on your iPhone. So I'm going to open up my iPhone really quick. Very, very easy and very dangerous. Okay, you're just going to go into Settings, General. Then you're going to scroll down to Reset, and you're going to tap that button right there that says Erase All Content and Settings. Now you are going to need your iCloud ID and password. And I guess something else to note is make sure that you turn off Find My iPhone in your iCloud settings and sign out of iCloud. But then you're going to probably have to sign in or put in your password to do this once you're actually ready to like reset and like erase everything. But that's how you do it right there. So do not accidentally press that or yeah, everything is going to be gone from your iPhone and you're not going to be able to get it back. That is how you erase everything from your iPhone, guys. So you can sell your iPhone, give it to a friend, or I don't know, do whatever else you want to do with it, I guess. If you like this video, hit that thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, guys, and we'll see you in the next video. Who else is stoked for Juventus to win the Champions League this year? That's what I'm talking about. Let's go. Told my friend that Ronaldo was going to Juventus like at the end of the Champions League last year, and he didn't believe me, and then I rubbed it in his face when it happened. Let's get it. All right, guys.